Well, thank you to all your survey, to all the survey respondents. Got a good mix: fabricators, contractors, designers, mills. We had a mix of about 53 or so people, all across the spectrum, and within the steel industry, some in the peripheral industries, and so we don't know. We almost have an even split where everyone says steel prices will level off in September or October or November 2022. So which one is it? Well, I don't know. We had CNN coming out with an article late last week that said this is a frenzy, this is a peak. We had Bloomberg this morning saying the same thing, saying iron ore is the new GameStop. Imagine that. So what do? Kind of makes you say, well, maybe we're peaking out. Well, I had wonderful conversations with industry producers last week, and they felt different. They felt like we were in a moment where there's not enough supply in the marketplace yet. There's a lot of industry factors that continue to happen that are causing challenges to produce at the levels that the market needs. And then there's always the question mark, will they produce at the level the market needs? Will they go as far as it? And usually I hear they don't. Usually I hear they only go up to about 90% capacity, right? We for a lot of good reasons. So let's be fair. I think what would be interesting is if we can get a panel together of some of the respondents, maybe others, maybe some of the mills, anybody who can give us some clarity. What are we dealing with here? So we can plan out our businesses. I know our business, and our businesses for all those who continue to watch our videos. Let's do that. Let's put a group together. Let's cover the questions about, are we peaking in steel? When will we peak in steel? What's causing the drive? What's causing the demand? I have my own ideas. I know what our pipeline looked like before COVID, so I can share on those thoughts, and I think some of it validates what's happening in the market. But we'd love to hear from everybody, because at the end of the day, we're doing this to plan out business for our customers, for our clients. It's not for Allied, it's for our clients to understand how to plan a project, when they should buy steel, how is it going to be priced, is today's price going into the future, is it today's price? I got to open my business anyway. These are all the questions that we deal with on a daily basis, and I would love to hear from you. So reach out directly on LinkedIn. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you'd love to be a part of a panel. And this is global, right? Allied's a global organization, so we'd love to hear from everybody. Every market is different. Every industry is different. So please reach out. Let's talk, and let's see how we can share and educate for everybody. Thank you.